Looking at volume of cones and pyramids, exercise 6G. The formula for the volume of any cone or any pyramid is volume is 1/3 times the area of the base times the perpendicular height of the shape. Proving the formula is beyond the scope of this course. It's interesting if you want to look at it though. For this pyramid here, we have 1/3 times the area of a rectangle, which is length times width, times the perpendicular height. That is 1/3 of 1.4 times 1.2 for the length and width of the rectangle, times 1.3. Got my calculator somewhere. Remembering that dividing by 3 is an okay shortcut, but if you prefer, that's 1 divided by 3 times, oh, can't see, there we are, and 1.4 times 1.2 times 1.3. So the volume is 0.728. We were in meters. We are in meters cubed for volume. For the cone, volume is 1/3 area times height, which is 1/3 times the area of the circle, pi r squared, times the height. I would accept it if you simply listed this formula here as your starting point for volume of a cone, or you can always start with the original formula which works for both. They've given me the diameter, so the radius is 23 divided by 2, radius of 11.5 millimeters. Technically you really don't need to show this, but it's a good idea, A, for complete working, and B, so you don't forget and use 23 for your radius. 1/3 times pi times 11.5 squared times the perpendicular height of 29. Do remember we're no longer looking for the slant height, which we would look for these for the surface area, but the height that is perpendicular to the base. And so with our calculator, 1/3, oops, the light's a bit dodgy in here today, times pi times the radius squared times the height of 29. The volume is 4016.26. We were in millimeters, so we're in millimeters cubed.